Hey guys, this is Julie. Take a look at crude oil, January 23, contract 30-minute chart. A couple of things going on. The longer three lines, the white and the green, is the monthly 123. So how this works is you have a monthly 123 down and a monthly 123 up. Right? So you can see there's nothing going on up in these, everything is down here. And once we crossed below the 1, it did a little bit of a back trace and then it came down, hit the 3, and now it's trying to get back up, but we've got the 2 blocking it right there. So the monthly 2 is not allowing price to get back inside. Um, a lot of that is macro. They're trying to keep the energy prices low at this point, so the dealers are, unquestionably trying to prevent price from getting back to approach that again, right? They don't want that to happen. All right, so we've got it trading inside the second and third standard deviation of the monthly chart. The other lines are the daily levels, and you can see that in a normal distribution, it normally trades to the third standard deviation. That's like saying, um, 99.7% of the time, price is going to stop because that's your range. If it breaks the range a little bit, it's usually going to a higher time frame level, like right here. It went from the daily 3 to the monthly 3. And as soon as it hit its target, it went back inside the daily and found itself to the middle of the mean. The 2 was acting as the mean of the day, daily. But um, I want to show you something else that's really cool. When it breaks to the upside a little bit, that's an anomaly that you should be aware of, because those are the opportunities for, if you were in a downtrend, to capture the longer term position. You see what I'm saying? So pay attention to those. And if it breaks higher, even still, out of the distribution, it's probably going to another distribution like we saw below. It went to the monthly 3. Well, up here, I'll put my magic distributions on the chart. And very spooky, um, we can add one and make it an RTH session, right? So we can go from 8 a.m. to 13:30, right? On the open, hit apply, and there you go. Targets to trade to. Daily RTH, monthly. And the only other thing that we are not seeing on the chart is the weekly. So you can even add a weekly open and close if you would like, since we have the ability to do both. We'll do both. So this makes it crazy with lines, and but they give you such, good levels once you understand what you're looking at. The ones are your risk lines, right? And so price generally stays inside the ones, and when it breaks the ones, that's when you can look for your 2 and 3. Target reached right to the tick. So be aware that dealers will park it inside the middle and just let it trade inside, going up and down. So when you have a macro, you know, bullish, bearish, if we're going, to do, uh, you know, contango or backwardation, trading a futures, strategy, selling, because you can get it cheaper in the front or back month, the proper supply demand dynamics of crude. You can, position that with these standard deviation levels. And when you see that you get your slope going up, right? Nice slope up, nice slope down. When it's going up, it generally means that you're going out of range. And that would be the time that you would be interested in looking for that range expansion. And now you know you have a target to trade to. You just your standard daily intraday RTH. There is a Globex also level that is traded to commonly, and you just start combining these time frames, looking to find the one breakout so that you know when it's going to be getting outside, and then you can trade to the target with slope. So it's a good, I think, overall method for mapping the market. The monthly two certainly acted as resistance in our situation today, and price is moving inside the ones, and looking, I guess the middle would be around the 78.20 level, which is, which one is this? Let's see if I can click on it. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on, but you can definitely, find these intraday and daily and weekly and monthly levels, and try to get a game plan um, from this with your volatility. So um, let me know if you have any questions. The sale offer is through Monday, so be sure to take advantage of that if you're interested in getting um, JATS PT to help you um, pick it up before Monday. All right, thanks, guys.